Students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start our first lecture of social studies in class 3. So let's start it from unit number 1. The name of unit number 1 is our world. What is a world? A world is a place where we are living. So let's start reading. This is the map of our world. Our world is called the earth. Our world is divided into 7 large areas of land. These are the continents. The name of the 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Oceania, Europe, Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent and Oceania is the smallest. So, this is a map of our world. You can see a map of our world. Our world is called the Earth. We live on the planet Earth. Earth is made up of land and water. 70% of Earth's area is covered with water and 30% area is covered with land. This large area of land is further divided into 7 continents. What is a continent? A continent is large solid area of land. Earth has 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Oceania, Europe and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent of the world and Oceania is the smallest. Oceania is a region made up of thousands of islands. Let's move to page number 3. Each continent is divided into many countries. Countries are separated by borders. There are 196 countries in the world. Russia is the largest country and the Vatican City is the smallest. So students, let me explain you that our whole world is divided into continents and these continents are further divided into countries. How countries are separated? Countries are separated by borders. Border is a line which separates two countries. There are 196 countries in the world. We have 196 countries in the world. Russia is the largest country by its area and Vatican City is the smallest. All countries are not equal by size. Some countries are large and some are small. Our world has 5 large areas of water called the oceans. The name of the oceans are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. So students, our Earth's surface is covered with water. 70% area is covered with water. So these water bodies are further divided into oceans. We have 5 oceans in the world: the Pacific, the Indian, Atlantic, Arctic and the Southern. Ocean is a huge body of salt water. Okay. Last paragraph is smaller area of water are called seas. There are many big seas in our world. Some well-known seas are the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Dead Sea, the Mediterranean Sea and the North Sea. What is the difference between the ocean and the sea? Ocean is a huge body of salt water and smaller area of water are called sea. Larger area of water are called ocean and smaller area of water are called sea. There are many seas in the world. Some important and well-known seas are Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Caspian Sea, Dead Sea, Mediterranean Sea and the North Sea. So our unit 1 is complete. Let's move to the exercise. How many continents are there in the world? Name them. There are 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Oceania, Europe and Antarctica. B. How many oceans are there in the world? Name them. There are 5 oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. C. What are seas? Name 3 well-known seas. What are seas? Smaller areas of water are called seas. And the name of 3 well-known seas are the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea and the Caspian Sea. 2. True or false? There are 8 continents in the world. How many continents are there? 8? No, there are 7 continents in the world. False. There are 5 oceans in the world. Yes, we have 5 oceans in the world. All countries are separated by oceans. Is it true? All countries are separated by oceans? No, all countries are separated by borders. So, false. There are 296 countries in the world. How many countries in the world? 196, not 296. So it is also false. Europe is the smallest continent in the world. Which is the smallest continent? Oceania is the smallest continent. So it is also false. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. True, yes, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Vatican City is the largest city. No, the Vatican City is the smallest city. So it is also false.